Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for always coming back to watch my videos. And in case you are new to here, my name is Fatah Bukar. Guys, another live. So today guys, tonight the weather is nice. First of all guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon to you, okay? Depends on when you're watching this video and where you're watching this video. Thank you guys, thank you. Welcome guys, welcome. So I'm chilling at home guys, okay, and the weather is nice. So in front of me there is a construction going on, okay, right, this building in front of me guys. A lot of constructions are going on nowadays in Muqdisho. So I can see so many developments are going on. So and everything is good. Let me know where you are tuning in, and hope guys you all doing well. So it is so nice guys, it is so nice, okay. Yeah, I hope you're all doing well guys. So it's good to interact guys, you know. Yeah, it's good to interact. So guys, I want to show you outside. uh this time, yeah, it's 8:41 local time here in Mogadishu. So it's night time. I just want to show you uh okay, night view of Mogadishu, okay. So enjoy the view. And you know, the city is booming guys, the city is booming. So a lot of construction developments going on. It's really booming, everything is nice, the weather is good, you know. Yeah, the vibe is so high, the energy is so nice, and everything is good guys, you know. It's so nice. Let me show you, okay. Yeah, this is where I was sitting guys, okay. This is where I was sitting. So I will show you guys, okay. Let me show you the outside view, okay. This is the balcony guys, okay. This is the view, Mogadishu view guys, okay. Nice view of Mogadishu. See this building, okay. So nice guys, you know. Okay, down here construction going on, okay. As you can see now, they are building this time. So they are building apartment here. See the workers now, they're working very hard. You see, they work day and night guys, okay. So yeah, wow, so nice. This is Mogadishu guys. See the developments of Mogadishu, Somalia, you know. For those of you who think Mogadishu is not safe, it is 100% safe. You can come and enjoy and relax, okay. The city is so nice guys, okay. That's the main road, guys. You see, rickshaw, bajaj. We used to call bajaj, rickshaw, auto. That's main road. Okay, you see cars passing by. This other side there is the construction going on, and there's a mosque in front of me. You see, guys? Yeah, Muqdisho power supply is right there. So the city is booming, guys. Okay, a lot of development is going on. This is the construction site, guys. Okay, yeah.